Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Bye, have a great time. I'm just gonna... You know what? No, no. Okay, let's try this again. This time with Evil Eye. Poison. Ow. Ugh. I don't know why I just walked into him like that. Hey, it's the Haunty Boy. Ow. Ah, this takes forever. What? Fucking hell. Dude. Well, there goes my deal with the devil. And then you give me a soul heart right after it. You're an absolute dick. Hey. Hey, what the fuck is that? You asshole. Ooh, hey, gimme. It's nice to see you again, Duke, by the way. It's been a hot minute. Hey, Screw is pretty good though. Give me that. Ooh. Ah. Fuck. Sure, why not? Yeah, I know you're gonna spot there. Whoa! So there's gonna be more behind me, huh? Yep. You were done quickly. Even more damage. Sure. Good guess. I remembered you. So no, don't try and sneak up on me like that. Fine. Not really useful. Okay, that was done fast. Oh my god, Pyro! Hell yeah. I'm gonna blow you up as well. Now I have a 90% chance of a deal with the devil, so I have to get it. Oh my god, so much money. Shop better be worth it. It's not. Keep your fucking shop. I didn't want it anyway. Hey, I like that. Uchu. Oh hi. It's gonna be fast. Well, this is obviously gonna come with me. Oh hi. Curse of the Lost. No. Okay, that was dumb. This is a very fast run as well. This is a speed run. Ow. Hey. Okay, that was just careless from me. I already have explosion immunity with Pyro. Ooh, Terracloth. What you got? Stars card. Is this tower? No. As somebody who gets very unlucky in this game anyway, a 30% chance of a deal with the devil is something that I don't believe in. More damage. We are going devil deals, so more hearts is always appreciated. Lazy worm. Ow. Is there any more? No. Ooh. Yeah. Ow. This is probably the part where I start taking dumb damage, because I took that item. And now I cannot get my soul hearts. I also don't know how many soul hearts it needs to charge up. Devil Deal. Curse of the Last. I mean, I know I'm only gonna... I'm most likely gonna get only one item of it, but you know, with intent rocks in here. I see one there. Okay. This is absolute madness. Look at this screen. Hey, is this it? No, not yet. I think one more. Okay, I think... Whoa! I was just about to say I think I cleared everything, but I guess there's still stuff here. Mommy Gertie. Let's get rid of you real quick here. There we go. That's how we do it. Hey, credit card. If I get that devil deal, credit card is gonna be useful. Okay, I don't know what hit me there. Oh yeah, I can use it now. All stats up. I'm fine with that. Let's do this. Yeah, hush fight, no way.
Credit card.
Thank you. Oh my god, look at this crazy shit. Oh dear heaven. Yeah, what are you gonna use now to throw at me, huh? What are you gonna do? Okay. You set me straight, I guess. And you're done. Right? Yep, you're done. Let's go. Okay. Now, I want something crazy. Oh my god! Okay. Cracked orb. What the hell is this gonna do? Let's go. Holy fuck. Oh my god. Oh my god, what is this gonna do? Well, you can just always get... I hope to god, because I don't have the door open to Mega Satan, so I really hope that after killing Blue Baby it gives me Delirium. I love Jacob's Ladder, it's my favorite item in the game. I always say when people ask me what's your favorite item in the game, it's Jacob's Ladder, it's always Jacob's Ladder. I do want to check out all the rooms, just because this is so much fun. I keep taking damage because I cannot see my enemy tears anywhere. Acid tears as well, what? Oh yeah, even even mom's contact, sure. Ah. Okay, can you stop now? It doesn't stop, and you are melted. Oh my god. Holy fuck. No Delirium, too bad. How long does it take to stop? That's it. This was easily one of the most fun runs I have had in a long time.